Assalamu alaikum MedCity students. Welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope you all are doing well. Today is our 6th lecture of science for grade 4. Review about the last lecture was how do skeletons and muscles work together. Our today's topic is what are drugs and medicine. Kindly refer to page number 46. What are drugs? I hope on this slide the pictures, the images you are looking, you are familiar with these images. Have you ever taken coffee, tea or medicines? Did you know that they contain drugs? Drugs change the way our body works when they are taken into our body. For example, caffeine is a drug found in coffee and tea which keeps us awake. Painkillers, medicines are drugs used in medicine to reduce headaches and pains. All drugs, including medicine, are harmful when we take too much of them. Now going further, on this slide you can see smoking is harmful to our body. Some drugs can cause great harm to the body and mind. They can also cause people to become addicted. Tobacco and cigarettes contain the drug nicotine and many other substances that harms the body. Nicotine also causes addiction. So we must say no to smoking. What are the uses of medicines? Some drugs are used as medicine to treat or prevent illness. For example, a fever is one of the signs or symptoms of a flu. Some medicines help control or take away the symptoms of the illness to make us feel better. For example, the painkiller. They do not cure the illness that cause the symptoms. They just give us a temporary relief. Going further with the explanation, you can see antibiotic medicine on the slide. What medicines have you taken when you are sick? Did the medicine help make you feel better? Did it cure your illness? Some medicines cure illness. They kill the germs such as bacteria and viruses. For example, antibiotics. Antibiotics are used to cure illnesses caused by bacteria. They kill bacteria or prevent them from growing. Cold and flu are caused by viruses. Antibiotics cannot be used to cure cold and flu. How can we use medicine safely? We can become sicker or get killed if we do not take medicines correctly. We should follow the following instructions given when taking medicines. We should also follow the dose of the medicines prescribed by the doctor. Children should not take medicines on their own. What is vaccine? Prevention is better than cure. Some medicines called vaccines prevent illness. For example, measles, chickenpox, flu and polio are some illnesses that can be prevented by vaccine. Vaccine may be injected into the body or swallowed through the mouth. What we have learned today is drugs change the way our body works. All drugs, including medicines, are harmful when we take too much of them. Some medicines such as painkillers help control or take away the symptoms of illness. Some medicines such as antibiotics cure illness. Some medicines such as vaccine prevent illness. So with this we have completed the explanation of this part. Hope in the next class we will start with the new chapter habitats and environments. Hope this class was beneficial to you all. Take care. Thank you, grade 4.